How to fix Winload.efi missing or corrupt. Error in Windows 10. Struggling with boot issues and getting an error message that says Windows/System32/Winload.efi is missing or corrupt. In this video, we're going to walk you through 5 proven methods to fix this common Windows boot error and how to prevent this from recurring. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Restarting Windows using an installation disk. Winload.efi is a system file that plays a critical role in the boot process. It's responsible for loading essential components, including the Windows kernel, into memory to initialize the operating system. Here are some of the most common causes of issues with this file: corrupt bootloader files, issues with boot configuration settings and/or UEFI settings, malware, issues with storage drives. Restarting Windows is the easiest way to address booting errors. Start by inserting the disk and rebooting your device. Follow the prompts to boot from the disk. When you get to the Choose an Option menu, go to Troubleshoot and hit Refresh your PC. Then restart your device. Rebuilding boot configuration data. Rebuilding the boot configuration data, BCD, can resolve errors related to a missing or corrupted Winload.efi file. To start, restart your computer. At the login screen, hold the Shift key and click Power, then Restart on the login screen. Navigate to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and open Command Prompt. From there, run the commands on screen. If the final command fails, enter this command and wait for Command Prompt to finish before restarting your device. Disabling Secure Boot. Disabling Secure Boot is a common fix if your machine's UEFI settings are causing conflicts. Access your system's UEFI menu during startup. Navigate to the settings and enable CSM boot mode and turn off Secure Boot. Remember to save changes before restarting your PC. Running System File Checker. You can also try to run a system file checker which scans and repairs corrupt system files, which could be the root cause. Open Command Prompt and type in this command. Restart your system when the operation is finished. Checking and repairing the hard drive. This method involves checking and repairing your hard drive. Similar to the last step, you'll need Command Prompt. Enter this command but replace C with the right Windows partition letter. You can also use this command if you want to do a physical check. If the issue is hardware related, this method will locate and fix errors. Prevent future Winload.efi booting issues. But what can you do to stay ahead of future boot errors? Regularly create backup restore points, run disk health checks, and keep your Windows operating system and drivers updated. Check your device's power supply, as improper shutdowns are a major cause of file corruption. For more information, check out our official blog post on Fix Winload.efi missing or corrupt error in Windows 10, linked in the description below.